Hey guys, it's Devil's Den Sports Cards here. Tonight we are doing group break number 52 for 2015-16 Upper Deck SP game used for 2 boxes. And just showing you on here, the last auction ended tonight, March the 3rd at 7:50 Mountain Time here in Alberta. And let's put this camera back. And show you the boxes. We were doing boxes BB 0125 60443 and BB 0125 93621. And there's 621, the last 3 digits, and 443, the last 3 digits on this box. Okay, again, 2 box break, group break number 52. Thanks for everybody for joining, and we'll get going. Okay, good luck to everybody. I'll just cover this so you don't see when I open both boxes at the same time here. So I'm just going to go through the cards. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're ready. Here we go. Okay, first card will go to the Calgary Flames bronze base jersey of Sean Monahan. Calgary Flames. And the next hit will go to the Buffalo Sabres All-Star Skills Fabrics jerseys, Zengus Jurgensen, Buffalo Sabres. And the next one will go to the Columbus Blue Jackets ink sweaters, 43 of 99, Scott Hartnell for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Next one is a decoy. Next card will go to the Chicago Blackhawks. Number 17 of 35, an All-Star Skills Fabrics patch, Corey Crawford. Chicago Blackhawks. And next card goes to, we have an authentic rookies, David Wolf for the Calgary Flames, number 19 of 45. Calgary Flames. And next we have a NHL Stadium Series Relics jersey, number 001 of 125 of Martin Jones. for the Los Angeles Kings. Next we have a bronze jersey for the Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise, Minnesota Wild. And next we have a draft day marks for the Vancouver Canucks, number 11 of 35, Jake Virtanen. The Vancouver Canucks. Next is another decoy. And here we have a authentic rookies patch, number 60 of 99, Brendan Ramford. Nice patch on there for the Dallas Stars. And next we have, that's it there. We have a quad jersey. Will be random between St. Louis with Vladimir Tarasenko, the New York Islanders, John Tavares, for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux, and for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. That will be random 3 times with the top team going on receiving the card. I should have actually had this ready to go. I'm just going to get the teams ready and I'll show you when we get this done. St. Louis, Islanders, Flyers, and Oilers. Okay. I'll bring the camera back over here. We'll do the random. Sorry about this. Shoot. Okay, I just want to see where I'm at here. So I'm going to keep the camera right there. There we down. I'm going to do this 3 times. Again with the team on top receiving the quad. Okay, and here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Islanders, New York Islanders will receive this quad. Again, it is for this card right here, going to the Islanders. Okay, that's it for group break number 52 of the 2 boxes of SP Game Used. Thanks again for everybody who joined, and we will see you next time.